So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the difference between the conscious mind and subconscious mind. So before you start judging this video and start skipping it or probably closing it and start watching a funny YouTube video or a prank video, I just want to ask you one question. Do you want to be successful? Do you want to achieve your goals? Do you want to achieve your desires? Do you want to achieve your dreams? If you do, if you want to be successful, then you got to listen to this video right now. Because when you understand the difference between your conscious mind and subconscious mind, you understand the different patterns of your mind. And by that, you can achieve the heights of being successful in your life. Have you ever asked this question to yourself? Why do you behave like this? Why we are all different from each other? Why only handful amount of people are successful in their life while rest are still struggling? Do you know the answers? Well, today I'm going to guide you. If you believe that you want to be successful, if you have a goal, if you have a desire in your life and you want to achieve it, then do watch this video. If not, you can leave. This video or probably this channel is not for you. See, it's our mind, both conscious and subconscious mind, that gives the right answer. This will be a video series that I'm going to make in which I will let you know how we're going to tame our mind, how we can control our mind and become a successful person in our life. But before getting any further, I need to set the foundation. And that is why I'm making this video right now. This is the foundation video in which I will help you knowing what is the difference between a conscious mind and subconscious mind. Hey guys, my name is Vaibhav Nigam. I'm a motivational speaker and an author, and I hope that you're liking my videos. If you do give me a big thumbs up, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions, do follow me all over the social media. This is my Instagram handle. Do follow me and do DM me, and I will surely try my level best to answer you back. So like I've said before, in this video I will help you out in knowing the difference between the conscious mind and subconscious mind. That will help you out in building the foundation of being successful towards your goal, towards your ladder of success, towards the destination, towards the destiny, towards the desire that you have in your mind and you want to achieve it no matter what. So I urge you to watch this video till the end so that you understand the entire process completely. So without any further ado, let's get started with this topic. Our mind is divided into two parts: conscious mind and subconscious mind. The conscious mind comprises of 5 to 7% of our mind, while the subconscious mind is comprised of around 93 to 95%. By conscious mind, we perform all our daily routine activities like walking, talking, working, etc. Everything that has to do with logic and reasoning comes under the conscious mind. But when we are asleep, when we are dreaming, when we are daydreaming, that comes under subconscious mind. Every emotions comes under subconscious mind. Emotions like anger, fear, jealousy, sex, lust, greed, etc., etc., etc. all comes under subconscious mind. And you got to understand one thing: when emotions take hold of you, your mind, as they are very strong, you might feel helpless. Sometimes anger make you helpless. Sometimes jealousy make you helpless. Sometimes greed, lust make you helpless. So the conscious mind is very small and the unconscious, the subconscious mind is very big. All the past and the future imaginations come under subconscious mind. The dwelling upon the past and the thinking about the future comes under subconscious mind. And now mostly we have to concern about the subconscious mind, because subconscious mind only help us in becoming the person that we want to achieve, that we want to be. So as I said, the 93 to 95% comprises of the subconscious mind. That means we are not presently aware of what the things that are happening in our life. It's like an autopilot. Do you understand autopilot? It's like a pilot who is flying the plane. There's a button called autopilot. When the pilot switch on that button, the plane fly automatically. I'm going to give you an example so that you can understand in depth. Let's say you are driving a car. You are driving a car towards your home and you are thinking about something. Let's say you are humming a song. And how many people would agree with me right now that they hardly know when the 20 minutes have passed and they are in front of their house? They could not understand where the time went by. They hardly remember when they took the left turn, the right turn, the U-turn, etc., etc., and they are in front of the house. How many people would agree with me? At that point, my friend, subconscious mind took over. So that's why you have to take control of your subconscious mind. You have to reprogram your subconscious mind in that way so that you can achieve your goals. And I will tell you how. Let's say you have an exam to clear, a very important exam, a tough one that you want to clear. And somewhere down the line, you are thinking, it's next to impossible that I can clear that exam. So when you have a dream and you want to achieve something, that is your conscious mind that is thinking right now. But if you believe that you cannot achieve that dream, that is subconscious mind taking over. How many people believe that they have a dream, but sometimes they have a feeling that they cannot achieve that dream? It happens to everyone. Everyone has a gloomy thought that they cannot achieve that dream that they want to achieve no matter what. The reason is because your mind is programmed in that way that will make you a failure. It can be of many reasons. The reason can be from your childhood, how you have been brought up by the life experiences, etc, etc, etc. These things plays a very important role in your life because these things nurtured your mind. And I'm going to give you an example right now. A child is born in a very poor family, and as a kid, all he's listening from his father is that this life is very hard. It's next to impossible to earn money in this life. It's very hard to have your own home. It's very hard to have a necessities of your life. All that child is listening since a kid is struggle, struggle, struggle and struggle. Struggle like you cannot live the life you want. Struggle like you cannot earn the money that you want. Struggle like you cannot have the basic needs that you want. So what can you expect from the child when he grows up? He will become a loser, as simple as that. He will struggle all his life because his mind has been programmed in that way. And same is the case with you. As the earlier example in which I was telling you that there is an important exam that you want to crack, but from deep inside you're feeling that you cannot achieve that thing. That is because you have been programmed that way. But what if you change that program? You reprogram your subconscious mind. In that case, you're going to achieve that dream. And now when you reprogram your subconscious mind, you can achieve anything. Right now, because this is the fundamental and the first video in this topic, all I can tell you is by meditation and by living in the present, not dwelling upon the past, not thinking about the future, but in the present. This is the first and the fundamental step in becoming a person and that can reprogram your mind in becoming a successful person. If you're watching this video right now, then all your thinking power should be in this video and nothing else. And how that can happen? By meditation, by calming your mind. And there are many steps and many techniques in which you can reprogram your subconscious mind, which I will tell you in the coming future. But right now, it was very important to let you know the difference between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, and I hope that you understood. So if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up, do subscribe and hit the bell icon, because in the coming future, I will be posting more of these videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam. Do follow me all over the social media, and I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye-bye.